Hello class. In this video I want to show you how to log in to Seesaw and use it to be able to write on our assignments, making it easier to do the work and turn it in. First thing you should see is on our main page on the right side are the assignments that have been given for either our math or language arts lessons. You can see today polygons is due. Over here we have Tuesday, tomorrow, point of view and character views from last week are due. Next Sunday, Mother's Day, we have our telling time, and then next week would be the wolf and fox assignments we'll have. So you kind of want to start from the top here. Those are the ones that are going to end the earliest. So let's choose polygons. And now you need to look at what the assignment is. And it's polygons. Yay, look at that. So now I know what assignment I need to do. So how do I get there and edit it? Oh, ignore that. You will go back to our main course page. And here you'll see this new purple folder. It says Seesaw, Fillable Assignment Ability. So we'll click on there. And you will see where it says Seesaw to log in. You will see all of our login codes so that you can get in there. And very soon right here you'll see the link to this video. So first thing you need to do is click on the login codes to find your code. From here you have two choices. You could write down your code on a piece of paper and type it in when we get to the login page. Or if you'd like, you can go up here to the right side and click on the download. It's the arrow that points down. That's going to bring it to probably Adobe Reader. And then you choose, let's see, where's my name? Oh, today I'm Yassine. So now I'm going to highlight it and copy. And from here, I recommend just clicking on this login right here. Otherwise, you would have gone back here and click on Seesaw. Okay, I'm going to do it from here because when you click this link, it opens it up right here in Schoology. And I am not a big fan of this very small window. So you can click this little kind of arrow in the corner to make it a new tab and bigger. Oh, look at that. Very nice. So you are a student. You will not see my name in login. You will see a blank here. And at the bottom, it says text code. Well, let's put our code in there and click go. Now you are in your Seesaw account and page. There are, I'm over here on the right, there's journal, activities, and inbox, which usually tells you when new assignments have been posted. So we can see here's an activity, and this is a fun art activity. But when I'm looking for my assignments and work, it's here under journal. Click. And Yassine has already started one assignment. He submitted it. It's waiting for my approval. But he can go down, you can go down and look for the assignment we're supposed to do. Now, ironically, we have here, whoops, there we go. Here you can see the oldest assignments are at the top, but in Seesaw, the oldest assignments are at the bottom. So we're going to keep on scrolling all the way to the bottom, and here we are, polygons. Now I can't just click on this. It'll just open it up, and I can see it nice and big. But if I click on the three dots, whether I do it here, or if I'm right here, I can still do it here. And I'm going to click copy and edit. It is going to make a copy here on your work page. And now you have the ability to draw, erase, highlight. And so I'm going to choose the pencil because it's nice and small. And then now I can complete the assignment. You may notice it's kind of small. So let's make it bigger. I use up in the left corner here, this kind of plus on a magnifying glass. And I think this is pretty good. So I could do it from here. If you need it bigger, you just hit the plus again. Now it says 2 of the shapes below are polygons and 2 are not. Circle the 2 polygons. So I got to make sure I've chosen my pencil. That looks like a good size. And now I'm going to click, hold it down, and I can make a circle. It's not, ovals are not, needs to have straight sides and angles. And there we go. If you have a touch screen, it's probably a little bit easier to use your finger there. If you have a mouse, that's pretty easy. Otherwise, a touchpad, you have to hold it down and then let go when you're done. Okay? When you're all finished, you click up here in the right corner the finished arrow, or I'm sorry, check mark. And now you can see it's waiting for my approval again. And so when it's finished in there, when I go to my account, I can see all the finished ones and go through and grade them and send them back. So hopefully that helps. When you're finished, don't need to log out. Just leave it there. So next time, and I'm going to just close it here. Next time, when I click on Seesaw, I can just go straight there and see how it's already open to the account. Now see how it's small and kind of difficult? Here's that arrow here, and here we are. So you don't have to keep logging in. All right, I hope that helps. If you have a question, you know you can always email me, and hopefully this makes our working a little bit easier for you. And if it doesn't and you like doing it the other way, then please go ahead, whatever is best for you. All right, let's get to work.